Kuugongelwa-Amadhila shared her personal journey, mentioning the challenges she faced as a young woman in leadership.
As a young unmarried woman without a child, I encountered skepticism from many quarters. My presence in leadership was questioned, my ideas were met with doubt, and my mistakes were often magnified. There were moments of open, harsh criticism, and at times subtle forms of bullying, particularly in public platforms and through media coverage. These experiences are not unique.
She called for governments and institutions to invest in structures that support women in leadership, including mandatory quotas, maternity benefits, and childcare support. The speaker also emphasized the need to address digital challenges such as cyberbullying and media bias, and to engage men in promoting gender equality.
Across our countries and institutions, women continue to face barriers that hinder their rise to leadership. Gender stereotypes, limited access to financial resources, and gender-based violence, both online and offline, remain significant challenges. These pressures can be discouraging, and in some cases, they lead women to step away from leadership altogether. This is why support systems matter. Mentorship, preparation, and wellness programs are not optional. They are essential. Political parties, government institutions, and workplaces must invest in these structures in order to ensure that women are not only deployed into leadership positions, but that they are supported throughout their leadership journey. Government must also enact laws to promote women participation in leadership positions, including through mandatory quotas. We must further address practical concerns such as maternity benefits and childcare support for childbearing age women.
The event provides a platform for discussion on leadership and women's participation in public life.